Hi you guys, this is so random. I was not gonna vlog today. Actually, it's a random Thursday, and firstly I had like some plans of going out today, full day, and then I realized that I have a lot of work, so I need to be home and I need to just wrap up a few things, and I was just gonna like go and take a shower, but then I don't know what happened, and I was like, you know what? I think I should vlog today. So I guess that's what we are doing. It's always fun to vlog. I feel like vlogging is like that style of content which I don't get tired of, because I really like showing you guys, like, okay, this is what I'm doing in a day, in a week, whatever. So let's see. I don't know what this vlog will have. I have no idea. Let's see how it rolls. I cannot decide my hair wash days. Like, I need to make a schedule for my hair wash days, but I'm just not able to, because I got my hair styled a day back. Yeah, and I don't want to wash them, but they still feel greasy, but they look good. And this is always gonna be like that girl problem that I'm gonna have, wherein I just cannot figure out if today should be a hair wash day or not. I guess not. I'll just like take a quick shower and see you guys. Okay, took a shower. I feel fresh, I feel good, and I've decided that I'll take a shower like in the next 1 hour of waking up, because if I don't do that, then I procrastinate the whole like process for so long, and it's just so annoying after a point, and I don't want to be that person. And I used to do this like a few months back, but then I lost the habit. And yeah, so now we're gonna do that because it always helps, right? Like, I want to have my breakfast after I'm done taking a shower, not the other way around where I'm having my breakfast first and then going and taking a shower. This is so random, but like, yeah, let's do my skincare. Skin is feeling a little dry. This is not sponsored, but this serum from Plum, it has been my absolute favorite, and I've used this in past as well, and I love it so much. The texture of it, and like, it's almost finished. It's like empty now. I need to restock. See, like, the texture of it, it's so milky, and it also hydrates a little. Guys, I'm literally gonna be home, but this is what I'm wearing. This cutie, like, skater kind of dress. It's making me feel so pretty. I got this ages ago. It's from H&M, I guess. I want to wear such outfits at home. Like, they just make me feel good. Yeah, I was saying that I just feel like whenever I'm putting a little more effort in the morning in getting dressed, the whole day I'm like, okay, now I want to romanticize this as well, that as well. I try to romanticize literally the smallest of the things, and even putting on this dress today is just me romanticizing my getting ready process, because while I was getting ready, I was just feeling so cute, because I would not wear something like this at home, but I don't know how, I just like saw this dress and I picked it up. I was like, I'm wearing this today. Obsession with learning a new language is just insane, and I'm so glad that I've started like my Duolingo again. So here's like my Duolingo widget, and I am on a 9-day streak, and right now I think it'll be my 9th or 10th day, I don't know, but yeah, I'm learning French from Duolingo. It's pretty basic. If you pay very much attention to it, you'll be able to speak and all, but like, I'm just beginning again. I had a 150-day streak or something, I think 5-6 months back, but then I broke it and now I've started again. But I do, like, know words, and I know, like, if someone's saying like basic French, I'll be able to understand, which is like something I'm really proud of. It's such a flex when you know like another language apart from your mother tongue and English, and I wanted French to be that for me. So okay, this will be so funny. Les filles anglaises.
Les filles mexicaines.
Les filles mexicaines. Okay, now they have given some other exercise, which is like a fill in the blank. I don't know. Les filles sont.
Les filles sont.
No, this one I messed up. Elise is. So let me just complete like the rest of it off camera. Had my breakfast, and now I think I'm gonna sit on like an editing spree because I have to edit like a few brand videos, few organic videos, actually a lot of organic videos, and my camera is a little low on battery, so I'll put this on charge and edit and see you guys in a bit. Guys, I have been at it. It's almost 2 right now. I've been editing since 2-ish hours now, and I'm kind of tired, so I don't know. Also, this is so cute. So Nivea, again unsponsored, but Nivea just sent like these cutie crochet holders, and I keep these like on my side table or in my purse, and it's just handy, you know. Anyways, there's so much more work that's left that's to be done, and all I can think about right now is the fact that I want to go and watch It Ends With Us. It released I think today, and I really want to go today only. So I'm literally asking like Ria, Kanchi and all these people, do you all want to go? I'm asking Anik. I mean, I'm pretty sure I don't want to go alone, especially to this movie, so I'm like gonna go with someone, hoping that I end up going today. If not today, then probably like during this week. I have to watch it. I know it's gonna be like iconic. Also, I've not read the book. I am not into fiction that much, but I'm still so excited for the movie. And yeah, that was like a little update that I wanted to give you guys. Now back to work, back to editing. Oops. I also just texted like an editor because I am so tired of editing. I have been editing like for 6 hours straight every day, and it's like not healthy, to a point where even I have stopped enjoying it. So I'm really like I just want to outsource the editing, if you know what I mean. Also guys, so today is like 8th of August. See, it's 8th of August, and I am sure most of you guys know that it's like the luckiest day of the year, and I believe a lot in manifestation, and I believe a lot in numerology. So like my reels were bombarded with like so much information on this particular date. Basically means like 8th of August. August is 8th month, and it's 2024. If you add all of that, it becomes 8, so it's like 888. And as an angel number, 888 signifies abundance, and it's like a good day to manifest, right? So a lot of people were asking me yesterday, Muskan, how are you gonna manifest? What are you gonna, you know, like how are you gonna manifest, and like what are the tips? Tell us about it. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm actually gonna pull out my manifestation diary, my journal, and I'm just simply gonna write down whatever I feel like I want to achieve, whatever I feel like my life should look like, because it's just so overwhelming. Everyone on the internet has something to say, has some tip or like some way of manifesting which will work better, but I honestly feel like it's just about being positive, having the higher, you know, frequency and vibrations, and just like believing in yourself, and obviously working towards it, and just believing in the universe and believing in yourself. And that's exactly like, you know, how I see manifestation. So right now we're just gonna quickly do that. Hungry right now. I completely forgot that I have not done lunch, I don't know how did I like forget something as basic as this, but it's like almost 4 and now I'm having my lunch, but it's fine. Super hungry. I'm just having like basic chila with some paneer, and I will be watching something on Netflix. I think I'll just start Emily in Paris again. I'm rewatching this, and yeah, I think I should go for this, or maybe Gilmore Girls. I don't know, I'm always confused between these two. This is such a cute spot to film in, except the fact that my wardrobe is an absolute mess, and I need to fix this situation. But anyways, I just got done, like I was replying to a lot of like comments and DMs on Instagram, like the best thing to do. I love doing it whenever I get time. I'm always on my phone replying to people, replying to you guys, and truly gives me joy. Like touch wood, I'm so grateful for that. Anyways, so that's done, and now I am going out, and this is so spontaneous. And he just called me and he's like, do you wanna go out? I love that kind of people who just goes like, do you wanna go out? Because yes, I always wanna go out. I'm a very let's go out person. I'm always, you know, down for going out. These days I have been cancelling a few plans because of rains, but it's not raining right now. So guess where we are going? Yeah, we are going to a mall, but it's okay. I think we might go to arcade as well. It's been a while and I want to play a few games. So we are picking out my outfit. I don't know, like obviously I want to dress comfy, chill. Let me like pick a few outfits and then show you guys what kind of outfit I'm building right now. And yeah. Makeup is done, you guys. Love this lip color on me. Makeup is done, you guys. Love this lip color on me. And now I'm just gonna shoot like a get ready with me for my Instagram.
25 minutes late. This
Sorry.
madam.
I was filming my get ready with me.
Okay, then it's fine.
Yeah. Okay guys, quickly giving you all like fit details. The bag is Zara. Then the shoes I'm wearing, these are from Puma. My sunglasses are from Urban Monkey. Then my top is H&M Kids. My denims are normal H&M. That is it. This is the fit. Going now. Yay. If you all have seen my previous vlogs, you all know that there's this one particular mall which reminds me of like LA, and today we are here, and guys, the view is viewing. Let me show you. Wait guys, look at it, it's so cute. I love it. This guy has serious issues. He has serious parking issues. So if the car is not parked right in the middle of this block, he would like make it his life's goal to do like that perfect parking. Here, sir, the award for perfect parking goes to you.
Thank you. As soon as I picked up the camera, she put her phone down.
What phone? What phone? guys, you clearly saw arcade was so much fun, and after that we decided to stop by H&M just to get a few essentials because it is getting a little chilly, not too much. So we did a little bit of shopping. I will do like a separate haul video for that, so stay tuned. And we were so tired after everything, so we did go for dinner to this really vibey kind of place and had such yummy food, danced on so many random songs, and it was such a vibe. I went to a place like this after a really long time. We usually go to like a more calmer place, but this was fun, this was new. And then we just dropped a friend at the airport. She went to New York, so that happened, and that's it. Then we drove home. It was such a nice weather and this was such a nice day. And that's actually it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.